Jake, what are we doing today? I can work with rates and ratios. So we're working with ratios, rates, and unit rates. We have 3 vocab words. We looked at the difference between a ratio and a rate. A rate is a little bit more specific. A ratio is not as specific. They're both a comparison of 2 quantities, but a rate is 2 quantities with different units. And you can see the example there. Unit rate always has the second number ending with 1, and then unit price would be comparing price per item. Example number 2, unit rates. Density, what's the formula for density against me?
D equals mass over volume.
So density is mass over volume, or D equals M over V. And we use density to solve a unit rate for gold, as you can see here in number 6. I don't know why there's a gigantic red mark in the middle there. That happens sometimes for, I don't know why. So your notes hopefully can fill in the blanks of what you're missing there. Estimating unit rates. What is the rule, or not the rule, but what do you want to do when you're estimating unit rates? What 2 numbers are you looking for? What's that called, Aiden?
Mass and...
No, we're estimating. When you're estimating unit rates, like if you have 468 students, like our example here, and you have 91 computers, how are we going to calculate a 5-to-1 ratio? How did we get there?
Rounding.
Rounding to what? What are you doing with both of these numbers? The 468 and the
Common.
Taruna? Compatible numbers. When comparing 2 different rates of doing an estimate, find compatible numbers. So in the situation for number 8, we used 450 and 90, I believe is what we talked about. If you go down to number 9, we're talking about 313 feet in 8 seconds, and we estimated about 40 feet per second. Because we went to 320 over 8, because 320 and 8 are easily computed together. So 40 feet per 1 second. Unit price, finding a value per item. In our pen example, we were doing pens. In our peanut butter example, we were doing it by the ounce. And you would apply this coal real world when?
Shopping for the best value.
Unit price would be shopping for the best value. And Madison, when else would we use unit rates?
For calculating speed and measurements.
Calculating speed specifically, and in a lot of cases, different measurements. Any questions or comments to add to our video?